Happy third year anniversary to Grand United Horizon Eagles Club under the leadership of Club President or Charter Club President Jericho Versales, and also under the leadership of my dear friend Northern Zone Region 5, Rihido Pasamote. Kuya Gob, the Charter Governor, kumusta po kayo? And sana po nakikiselebrate din kayo ngayong oras na ito sa ating mga member ng Grand United Horizon Eagles Club. So mga kuya, as you celebrate your third year anniversary, ay ako po ay nakikisa at natutuwa sapagkat kayo po ay patuloy na nakikisa sa ating the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, under the leadership of our newly elected National President, Kuya Agaton Javier, ang ating batang-batang National President na kanina lamang ay kasama ko doon sa ating bagong National Office. Mga kuya natin, I am very happy because I believe that you stand and you still believe in our basic principle, ang ating laging pinangahawakan, guiding to our principle, service to strong brotherhood. And hindi po kayo aabuti ng 3 taon dyan kung hindi po ninyo sinusunod ang mga ito. And we are very, very happy and supportive to all the club members, especially siyempre dun sa ating mga member ng mga regional officers and also the club officers. Mga kuya, I hope you enjoy your celebration today. And sa totoo lang po, we have passed a lot of challenges in the past. Nagbago yung ating petsa ng eleksyon ito nakaraan, kung napansin po ninyo. But ganun po siguro talaga. Because we are trying to rectify the mga anumang pagkukulang or pagkakamali dun sa nagawa noong mga nakaraang panahon. But I am very happy to announce to each and every one of you na ngayon ay tapos na yung problema natin dyan. And in fact, nagkapirmahan na po ang ating mga national officers. Our former national president, Kuya Sinisa, has already signed yung ating problema sa courts with SEC. So okay na po yan, inaayos na po. And in fact, we now have installed at nakapag-take out na po ang ating Kuya Agaton Javier. So kayo po sa mga club level, sa regional officers, kami po ay lubos na umaasa na patuloy po kayong susuporta sa ating national office. So I hope kayo po ay patuloy naming makakapiling at makakasama kung ano man po ang problema. Sabihin lang po sa ating club president, kay Kuya Jericho, and kung hindi kaya, bigay kay Kuya Lion Sir, kay Kuya Gob Brida Pasamonte. And I would like to acknowledge si Kuya PJ na napakasipag na tao at lagi kong kausap, laging nakikipag-usap sa akin kung may concern ang region. Sana po laging ganyan. And huwag po kayo magtatubili, nalapitan ng inyong Kuya Jericho. And lagi po akong tutugon sa inyo. Again, happy third year chartered anniversary to your club. This is your Eagle Governor Kuya Jericho de Guzman of NCR 22, your former Board of Trustees for Eagle Year 2025-2026, and also your former National Chairman for Membership and Screening Committee, saying, mabuhay po kayong lahat. Happy anniversary. Mabuhay ang Agila. Mabuhay ka, Kuya Pres. Mabuhay ka, Kuya PJ. Mabuhay ka, Kuya Gob. Mabuhay. Congratulations.